Eng tik nuwa kain hule na tunge po kasi toro hey.
Should we say hello?
Yeah, sure. Say hello to 1 million subscribers.
Oh, hi!
Hi,
Hello
doctor.
from Richmond.
Win dar nga lamin somli vela niya. Gua hi win sun nila in sura. Kan pite in hi darkar dia. You said around 20 minutes, right?
Now it's 25.
Oh, that minute som hi panga vel keng ang kaldo na. Tui view mai thei ni. Di salat chau kan me em lo ang chumo. Sa te po min me tire mang chumo ti vel ni. Is it this way straight? Okay. Chuan tumdang ha chuanin an inpon veranda hetiang sutai hetlaya chutna o mga sonin chuta e kan tumama ro chu ruwa surta ka wang hianin an mani zo haro ni thashunga enge inchunga e borla ya kha ama ro chu inhmuh a khatah wangle thil tui e khatah ma wangin ke mani zo ka hi kan phura kal sham kan tuma ka chen te hi venan te hi Tanzania mi nia jan sumera hi Pakistan ni oh
Best friends.
jan chen te ni hey kan university campus hi re ta khop mai tuna zonin devel hi ni ama zonin heng lai te zu zirlai om nuai turang kha kan nia ma se mi hin ho zo vek to a chumi ni van zonin hey re top tai mak dana zirin kan ti zelang an vir le role
Wait.
twirl te tur mi twirling vir kualing kan library te hi re thap mai tu a zonin
There was my dream that we will make a video or like a good picture in front of it.
you mean all of us, right? You mean all the fellows? Yeah. It's really sad. Yeah.
It's really question of change then. There's no way out. Maybe in the future things can change, we are not much
I
sure.
guess it's not that much.
Yeah, I don't think you need an umbrella.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's just our mere wish.
Yeah.
VCU.
We miss our VCU.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
So is it straight to left or right or straight?
No, just left.
Left here. Yeah.
There are multiple streets, but I like to want that take us straight there.
Yeah. So you guys have been to her place before?
I have been there twice.
Was it like for dinner or?
Yeah, for dinner. Where are you going? This way.
You want to take this green thing?
Yeah, we'll turn left again.
Take us out later.
Yeah, Ralph can do a little tour thing. We have, it's like a, we
Kan
have,
pi teng ju kan thleng to pon a so nei tur kan nia ma se ruahi a sulta ka wang hianin enge kan ti thei talawa ti thei patopin kan film khura so ai inju lum khop mai nia
No, I cannot. Everything's
we are no ran da hin da dang
You
dai
have an upload of me. Hey, I like this quarantine.
Hey, man. I went one day to the, the barber shop. Then I saw, I said, no, this is not fair.
This is where you learn. You must ask Ralph that you show you how to cut your own hair. My brother.
Very strange, very bad. Very bad.
I'm enjoying a lot of men, their whole hair and beard. It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's very bad. Very bad. I will tell
The
you.
first thing I see when you come online is their hair. I'm like, my brother's online.
And Heather was telling me, oh, your hair is growing long.
It's true.
Yeah, I know. This is another burden on my head.
Yeah, it's getting heavier.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that was always amazing to see you guys. Thank you, my brother. Hey, I must. Once quarantine is over, I can do this.
Yeah,
And you become a Rastafarian. Longer hair than me.
It was very strange.
You should put these extensions to his
kan
nails.
kan hmulna rei
It's very,
thwa
very
ka
easy now. can do one by one. Then I will.
How did this month go?
Sorry guys, when was the last time we were together? Has it been more than a month?
Yeah.
In person.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, more than a month.
So we
The
are
last people was, for me, was Adam and Eugene, and
Yeah.
I kept. After that, we didn't see each other.
Yeah,
so
even before
it's more than a month now,
It's
right?
more than a month, yeah.
Dito takah vel kanin mulaw to kan sian te chan khathi I program zolowin I enge headline an lauti chongkam zumoi lo nga anil rum nom to lo hangin an boa program zo na maro zu tu na hian I nga vel zu kan lo ma pathian zara kan boi lo tu ra kan nga ya kan thilei tu potui don khop mai
I can make more. We have other tomatoes. So I'll wait. You guys taste it, and then anybody says they want more, I'll make more.
Did you put olive oil on?
I did not, but this has oil.
Done?
No. I'm waiting for her to explain here.
So this caprese salad, and so first of all, I've set the table with the silverware. So but we'll dish up the main dish in here because it's basically easier to do that. But so if you would like to try, you take I'll use this, I guess, or I'm gonna get another fork.
I can just, matter of fact, one person serving it up might be good.
And then we'll use
Big-
this for
big or
the
small?
other thing. I think well, you can do whatever. It's fine.
Okay.
But these are easier to cut. It's easier to cut them with this stuff. And then if you'd like. Wayward. What can I get you, Marcella, to drink?
I'm good for now.
You're good
I'll
for
have
now,
something
okay.
like once we settle.
Grab what you
Tui don
want.
khop mai tomato
So
le
here's,
cheese le
So it's a basil kind of spread
basil
on it.
pepper mizo
So
mizo chuan
Oh, I
mizo chuan ho kan ti pu ma se sapo mai san chi
enthusiasm.
tui don khop mai tomato cheese le basil ti vela ni really I was thinking maybe I'll send this video to the group instead.
Okay.
So, yeah, to Christina, Adam, Oleg, Eugene, Leticia, who else? Hefsi, yeah, all of you. We miss you so much. Yeah, so we are assuming that you guys are like sitting around the table as well right now with us.
Might be someone is
Yeah.
sleeping this time.
Yeah, we are eating very healthy. We are trying not to go beyond the BMI of greater than 30. Let's hope.
I've got to make the
Kan til met tui bon top
to make
the
the caprese.
Arsania.
So, could you get out the olive oil,
Chuan.
please? Do you want
Heta
to
mi
get
poi
that
arsa
out?
to.
And then, I may rope Roger into doing
Bake ania. Bake chi tui. Bake chi shim shim ni.
Should I take them to the living room?
What?
Roger's gonna come help.
Oh, they might.
Mast herkes nagme khud khwant sehed rozud ya sehne pe waste bajazast khuram an ke nagma kardam pia strand.
Wow.
Okay, start
What?
again.
Can you at least try like what it means?
I don't totally know Persian, but I know the words. Like,
Yeah, look
I
on the
can
back.
read it.
But it's really interesting that you can read it but not like understand it. That's very unique. Yeah.
Our culture, we have Persian words too. We have Arabic,
Oh.
Vedic, and then the alphabets, or I don't know how would you say that? These are the same. The pronunciation is same. But for example, they will say ast, but if in Urdu it will be ast. But they will say
Yep.
ast.
So it's like me reading his language because
Yeah.
we use the same letter,
Yeah.
but I wouldn't
Yeah.
understand what I'm
Right.
reading.
Yeah.
Right.
So it's the
Oh,
same.
like that's a point.
Yeah.
So that's Persian, not Arabic.
No, this is Persian.
Okay.
If there would be Arabic, there would be so many marks up and
Right,
down
right,
there.
right. So let's look at the English version.
I can't make a sense at what they want to say, but
Why don't you say? Why don't you like
What is the gist
try
of
to make a
it?
sense and then we'll.
For example, it's saying about the life. It is good. So nagma, it is like a symphony or something. Something like that. It's about
Right.
it's about the life and like its beauty or something like that.
Okay.
Very good.
Let's try it back.
Let's see what it means.
life is like a stage. Everyone comes and performs their performance, like sing song. The stage is there and going nowhere. The best perform is that remain in people's mind and heart.
Nice.
No, it's
How is it now?
I guess
It's
I can
great.
see my head.
Yeah, look at the camera lens, not at the screen.
okay. I was looking at the screen.
Look at the lens. Venant, I can't see you.
We can see you.
I'm here.
Yeah, that's you.
Wait.
There is Vedant.
Venant, you have to smile. At least your teeth has to show, right?
It was too much.
No, because I can't see, because there's a light behind him. There's a light behind him, so let's go towards the light. Is this better?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where?
How about,
It's
I think this is better. This is better. Venant?
Yeah.
Are you guys alright with this? Good? We don't need to bring what? Kutilku. Kan pider uranihi. Don't laugh at my language. We don't need to bring what?
Descriptive, whatever it was.
yeah, it was.
Oh, coffee and
And we started the
Being the
morning
beautiful
great.
wife that I am.
She was
I
very, she was
agree.
a trooper about it. I kind of, it really worked. But as it got towards noon, it started getting really, really hot. And by the time we made it to our destination, we were toast. But we found a cafe. We had lunch,
It was very nice.
and the plan was to come back on one of the city buses. And he'd already warned us that there were virtually no taxis. So everything was fine. We got.
Makes it sound.
And yours? No, don't say you don't have chickens.
Loves chickens, he said.
Yeah.
I
Really?
have a lot of chicken.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, how does
That
it
would be.
sound?
But what do ours say? Ours are,
Okay.
is it
You can say
cluck?
it, honey.
It's like cluck, 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 cluck. Or
Yeah, that's
it's more of a rooster.
That's a rooster. Oh, that'll do.
no. Now I remember. It's chiap chiap chiap. Yeah, I suddenly remember that's a Mizo word for that.
It's amazing how
Chiap chiap chiap.
Okay. When you knock at the door, then how would say that? I mean,
What is the sound?
what is the sound? No, you would say that.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we go knock knock.
Knock knock. Okay. And
Who's
you?
there?
We say gong gong gong.
Gong gong. You?
Kick kick kick.
This is a great Humphrey fellow.
So if somebody asks you,
I would say dog dog dog.
Dog. Really? Oh.
How do you say it?
Kick kick kick. Why? I don't know. Really? It's kick 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 in Oman. Kick 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 in Oman means is anyone inside? I guess. Yeah.
So now you have to write this down for all of us.
Yeah.
You gotta tell Heather. This is the icebreaker for the first day of
Yes.
I wonder how it's in Moldova.
Yes, on Zoom. I can see it now. I see it on Zoom. Around the world. Animal sounds from around the world, you know. We should be brought to you by.
For the cow in my
You thought this was a serious training program, right? Yeah. Yeah, really serious.
Oh my god.
I can't imagine. I didn't know that this language is different. That the way the hens is sounding in Tanzania is different from India. I didn't know.
Yeah, it was for the cow. We would say bo.
And when you hear them, is that what it actually sounds like?
Yeah.
So there's a ball.
Wait. Where am I? Okay.
We can kneel down or
Wait.
something.
No.
Okay. Venom?
No, it's
Yep.
good.
Yeah. Are we good?
Yes.
Yes.
Wait. Okay. So.
Everybody say what the chickens do in your country.